Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade your Google Workspace subscription. Whether you're looking to reduce costs or simply need fewer features for your team, this process will help you switch to a lower tier plan while keeping your account intact. First, open your web browser and head over to the Google Workspace site. If you're prompted to sign in, make sure you're using your Google Workspace administrator account, as only admins have the permissions needed to make billing changes like this one. Once you're signed in, you'll want to navigate to the admin console. You can do this by clicking on Admin Console from the main page, or you can go directly by typing admin.google.com into your browser. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your Google Workspace account. From the Admin Console homepage, locate and click on Billing. This section houses all your subscription and payment information, making it the go-to place for any changes related to your plan or pricing. Within the billing area, click on Subscriptions. Depending on your interface, this might also appear as Billing and Subscriptions. Either way, this is where you'll see a list of all active subscriptions tied to your Workspace account. In the Subscriptions list, find and click on the name of your current Google Workspace subscription. This will open up the details page for that specific plan, showing you what you're currently paying for and what features are included. On the Subscription Details page, look for a button or link that says Upgrade or Downgrade. In some cases, this might be labeled Change Edition. Click on it to access your plan modification options. From here, select the Downgrade option or choose a lower tier edition from the list of available SKUs. This step opens up the pathway to moving to a more affordable plan. Now, from the list of available editions, click on the one you want to downgrade to. This could be Business Starter or another lower tier that better suits your current needs. Take a moment to review any notes about features or storage limits that will change with the downgrade, so you know exactly what to expect. Next, click the Confirmation button, which is typically labeled Select or Confirm Downgrade. If prompted, review how your billing will be adjusted, whether that's monthly versus annual charges or any prorated amounts. Make sure you're comfortable with the new billing terms before proceeding. Finally, ensure that all your changes are saved. You should see a final confirmation screen or banner indicating that the downgrade is in progress. And that's it. You've successfully downgraded your Google Workspace subscription. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.